Here are my 3 favorite grid down phones as a former CIA officer and why you should have one too. So what do we have here? We got 3 phones and these are all grid down phones, AKA satellite phones. No brainer, we know cell phone towers go down. I have had to use these before and you are grateful that you can use these all over the world and all you need is a clear sky. That's it. So this is one of the satellite phones I own. This is probably my favorite. I'll even show you which one it is right here so you can see it. This is the Iridium 9555. Comes with the charger and all that jazz in there. This is what the actual phone looks like. So probably the most common question I get, happens all the time, is people email me or they put questions in the video or like, how in the world do I use a satellite phone? Isn't it super complicated? Don't even need like a PhD? No, no, and no. Trust me, if I can use it, you can use it. So all you gotta do is one, you've gotta be outside. Like, it's a satellite phone. It has to be able to connect with the satellites. If you're sitting in your house and you're sitting here trying to dial this and you're like, why in the heck isn't my satellite phone working? It's because you don't have a clear line of sight. You're not outside. 2, make sure the antenna is pointing upwards. Obviously, I don't know why you'd make a call upside down like this, but if the antenna is not pointing toward the sky, it also is not going to work. Once the phone is on, all you have to do is dial your country code. Here in the US, our country code is 1 and then the phone number, and that is it. Obviously, if you're using this overseas, you need to go know the country code of the place you're going to. So when I've used this, and usually it's in southern Utah, camping and hiking around Zion National Park or Bryce National Park, I simply dial 1-435-555-5555 to call my wife or whomever I'm trying to call. This is the Iridium. Iridium is the best because it pretty much covers the entire world. I do have other phones like this one here. This is the Inmarsat, and this one, the only thing is Inmarsat doesn't work at the poles, the north and south pole. Again, I'm not probably going to the north or south pole, but if you were, like, hey, I want the best coverage whatsoever, then yes, go with Iridium. But if you're like, hey, I'm probably not going to the north and south pole and I'm going to Paris, France, or whatever, well, then this phone's going to be good for the vast majority of people. Same thing, you can see it's got car charger here. It's got obviously my charger. It's got an extra battery. There's my Super Ninja case that I have and all that kind of stuff. But it works the same thing, or it works the same way. You just, it has the antenna has to be up. Yeah, I know you're like,
Jason, why do you keep saying that?
Because I get so many emails where people forget to put the antenna up and it doesn't work. And also, you've got to be outside. And then this is just another version of the Iridium phone. It's just a different model, older model. Same thing, nothing wrong with this phone. I like this one, but I have multiple satellite phones. Just because I got a big family, I want to be able to communicate with my wife, my relatives, my kids, etc. And because cell phone towers are a lot more vulnerable than everybody thinks, you should have one of these. I mean, there was the Hawaii fire a while back, and a guy was able to help evacuate a significant number of people because he was one of the only people that had a satellite phone. So he was able to call other numbers and say, hey, we need help here, where they had service, because in his area, there was no service. So I highly recommend having a satellite phone as part of your emergency prep gear. Place I get mine, I trust, I like. Go to spysatphone.com. They've taken great care of me, and I think they've been around forever, but they do an awesome job. So again, go to spysatphone.com. I am former CIA officer Jason Hanson. Communication is critical in a crisis, so make sure you can communicate, get whatever sat phone is right for you, and God bless you.